Hello, Miss Lahart here. Happy week before break. This is going to be Miss Lahartin week, so this is why she's very excited. All right, this week, it's a short week. It's 4 days. I've got two lessons and then a quick check, and then catching everybody up because I think a lot of sickness has happened, so I need a day to kind of get everybody back to handing it in. Anyway, today we are checking horizontal and vertical lines. So a horizontal line looks like this. I'm hoping at this point you know what a horizontal line should look like. Okay. The horizon, I mean, that's the only thing I can remember. And it's going to be a number. It's not going to be A. It's going to be a number wherever it falls on that Y axis. Okay, so the first thing up is, can you graph these things? So here we go, y equals 5. Okay, so go to where, put your very first point on the axis where that number is. So y5, boom, there's my point. And then to get your other points, if you're struggling with this, horizontal line, boom. But think of if all these coordinates have y values of 5, where are they all going to be? So for example, let's say my x is 4, my y is 5. Oh, it's right there. What about -4, 5? Boom, I could do this all day long. Okay, 2, 5. -2, 5. What do those all points have in common? Their y values are 5. Draw a straight line. There's your horizontal line. Okay, and then so there's more of these. So here we go. Y equals -2. Put your first point. My advice is to put your first point on that axis and put your number on it. And then again, create 3 more points. Okay, I just require 3. I know that's silly, but 3 points make a line. Number 3, again, we got y equals -5. Where is y equals -5? Boom, there we go. Okay. There's 3 points and straight line. Okay. 4, y equals 3. All right, there's where y equals 3, and then the 3 points make a line. Okay. I probably went way too fast for those of you that are graphing those things, so I apologize. I hope you pause the video whenever that happens. Okay, so now let's go to the other one. We have whole vertical. Oh my God, that's a typo. I gotta fix it. I'm fixing something live, ladies and gentlemen, because that'll drive me nuts. Vertical lines look like this. Okay, vertical lines. I gotta fix it or I'm gonna forget. So you're along for the ride. You're live with me. I don't want to have to give kids candy because I get strikes when I have mistakes. So those of you watching the video, if you are actually paying attention to this video, come find me. I'll get you candy because I had a strike during your lesson. All right, here we go. Vertical lines look like that. Okay, x equal, and they are along the x-axis somewhere. And again, b is going to be a number. And then you just plop it, and it's a vertical line. Vertical line. All right, again, my advice, go to where that x, so we're on the x-axis now. Go to where x is 1, put a point. And then think about what another coordinate point that has an x value of 1. Well, 1, -3, 1, 3. Like all of those has x values of 1. So there's your coordinate point. There it is. Nice vertical. 3 dots make a line. Make sure you have arrows on your graph. Okay, next one. What do we got? Ooh, x equals 4, another positive. So again, go to your x-axis. Your first point, my advice, is to put on that x equals 4, and then pick me 2 other ones. Okay, whoops. Those are horrible coordinate points. I got to move those. That's not a strike. I mean, all of these points are on x equals 4. Okay, let's not fix it. Okay. They're all going to be off, I think, because I don't think I fixed any of them. Anyway, okay, here we go. 3, we got x equals 2. Another positive. Okay, x value of 2. Boom. And then let's see if they fall. Oh, that one's pretty good. X value of 2, -3. And then I picked 2, 3. Again, guys, I just need 3 points. You can put them right there. 2, 1, 2, 2. I don't care. 2, 2. That's a funny point. 4. Finally, a negative. So we got x equal -3. Oh my gosh, my cursor was on the wrong axis. X is here, x-axis, the x value of -3. Grab 2 other points and boom, there you go. Okay, so that's one part of today's lesson. Can you graph a horizontal and vertical line given the equation? So now let's actually name that equation. So if I give you the graph, can you go the other direction? Okay. All right, my biggest advice again is to think about points along this line. Okay, what do they all have in common? Well, this is definitely on the y-axis. This is definitely on the y-axis. So this is going to be a y equals. And where is it going to equal? 4. Okay. Those points all along the line have a y value of 4. So there's the equation, just y equals 4. Okay, 6. Here we go. Ooh, going this way. Again, this is on the x-axis. This crosses through that x-axis. So it's going to be x equal. And then we got, where is it at? Positive 1. Okay, so that can help. What axis does it go with? That's the letter you start with. 7, what do we got? Again, we got another one that goes through the x-axis. So that's x equals, what does it equal? A -3. And then the last one, here we go. Ooh, y-axis, so that's y equals, and it would be a -4. Okay. All right, next up, grab your whiteboard. So the first round is, can you graph these things? The second round is name that graph. Again, if you are on a piece of paper or if you don't have whiteboards, you can use a piece of paper. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, I got to talk to people in the class about boards because they just don't clean them. All right, here we go. So this is the graphing portion. So on that back of the, or wherever, get some blank graph paper. Here we go. Y equals 4. Draw it on the board. Show me. I will show it in 3, 2, 1. Did you have that? Because if you did, you got it right. Next one, we've got x equal 1. Again, show me on the board what the line would look like. That's x equal 1. In 3, 2, 1. Boom. 7. Okay. 7. We've got x equal -3. X equal -3. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Does it look like that? Okay. Y equals -4. I think I have 8 class flips. I think I have 8 boards. All right, here we go. Y equal -4 in 3, 2, 1. We got y equal -4. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Y equal -3. And we up. Can I screw that up? We're still graphing. Oh. Oh, okay. I did an animation these. Again, those of you that are watching this video live, there's strike 2 for me. So will you get a piece of candy? Again, you can get a second piece of candy because look what I'm doing. Oh God, all over the place right now. I don't even know which one we left off on. I think it was this one, y equals -3. So I so apologize for that. Should I have paused the video? Yep. For the recording? Yes, I should have. All right, next one, here we go. X equal 4 in 3, 2, 1. X equal 4. And then we got x equal -4 in 3, 2, 1. Do you have that? Okay. And then we got y equals +1 in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay. All right, now we're at name that equation. So I'm going to show you the graph, and then you got to tell me the equation. Okay, so here we go. First one in 3, 2, 1. Did you have y equal 4? Okay, next one in 3, 2, 1. Did you have x equal 1? All right, next one in 3, 2, 1. -3. Did you have -3? In 3, 2, 1. Y equals -4. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I never fixed these. All right, there, I'm gonna end the video there, but those are the problems and classwork. Hope you're doing well. Miss Lahar out. Woo! Too many mistakes on that.